we got to patch a tire. It turns out we got a flat. Did you watch the other video before? Shane said it wasn't leaking, so we wasn't worried about it. We did a video on some stuff. There goes the city water people, or the post office people, I don't know. They had flashing lights on, but we'll be making a video on patching a tire. Yeah, it leaked. We must hit a pothole or something. You know why it started leaking? We seen it. Didn't leak a drop. But once we knowed it was no, that's when it happens. The Daytona Jack from Harbor Freight. They actually on sale after making this video. $189. We paid double that, didn't we, Shane?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we got us when it wasn't on sale. Highly recommend those Daytona Jacks. We're going to be zipping these off down this Trans Am in 3/4, ain't they? And we're going to take this inside where you can see how we plug this. So this is the nail we found. It's been in there quite a while because the head of the nail is pretty much wore off. You know, you can tell. So we're going to take us a pair of pliers that Shane's got here, a set of cobalts here, and they rusted up, Shane. Oh. We're going to try to grab it, pile up on it. Hey, you want to do that in our film?
Sure.
You try. It's what you not be a man. Just yank it.
I don't think I'm gonna grab it.
Yank it out though, Shane.
I ain't gonna get a bite on it.
Ain't gonna get a bite? We're gonna have to pile up something?
Yes.
Okay, one way would work. Which is for fancy people is what's that, what do fancy people call one ways? What's the proper term for that? Flathead screwdriver. That's it.
Do you have one?
Probably at pull that drawer right there.
Huh?
What? Yep. Top drawer. Yep. Top drawer. Don't mind the commode that's going into the other bathroom. I see William just went by. Okay. Here we go. I'm gonna pile up and you grab it, Shane. We double team this. That didn't come out right. Oh. I'm losing the camera shot. Losing the money shot. Okay, here we go. And you want to make sure you get this out because you don't want to put it inside the tire. If you can keep from it. Yeah, it's been in there quite a while, Shane. It's even buried under the tread. It's been in there so long. Can you grab it when I... Got it? Look at that. Oh, that's, what do you think it is? It's a self-tapper.
Yeah.
A little one. What have you used that on, sir? Put that inside here. It does no more damage to anyone, hopefully. So we're going to take the reamer here. That's what this is. That's what I call it. And we're going to find the hole that I done lost. There's the hole. Okay, put me some stuff on that. Some twine. And this helps it bite. You don't have to do this, but it helps. Okay, you just put a little bit here. And here it is. And we'll insert this in and out. Oh, it might take you, Shane. I'm recording. Just up and you know how to do it. You plug tires before. We call people. There you go. You have to work it quite a few times till it gets smooth. I think that's good, Shane, don't you?
Yeah, probably.
Okay. Now we're going to load this up. And as in load, I mean do it. Want me to put my hand on it?
Yeah.
How about I put this? Then we're going to put the slimy goo on it. And if you have trouble for these not being as sticky, if it's cold out, you can warm them up a little. Just set them somewhere warm on the heater of the dash or something, you know, next to the heater or something. Just warm them up a little. It don't matter once you drive on them. It'll plug the tire. And then you're supposed to just use a plug so you can make it to get your tire professionally repaired with an inside patch. But I unplugged the whole life of a tire before, ain't you, Shane?
Sure have.
Yeah, like it don't, you know, it's recommended. Recommended means they recommend it, but you don't have to do it. And put a goop on it. There you go. That's recommended too. You don't have to use it, but it helps. It's like a cement. I think that's what that is.
Yeah.
Oop, I got a message. You don't want to take it completely off, you know, completely down in the tire, but you want it pretty even. There you go, Shane. Then you can ply it back up and twist it as you do it. There you go, and it is plugged. Now you can take a little knife or something and you can cut this even, but over time it'll wear down. It's however you want to do it. And once you get it, you know, plugged, you can trim the excess off the top. Shane's actually going to do it, but you know, I normally don't. You know, it'll wear down in my opinion, but you can trim it. That way you don't feel it when you drive. On a side note, air your tire up because you lost air doing this. That's probably when you plugged it in the first place. And Shane just trimmed it off a little. Scissors works better, or a sharp knife. Neither one that we got at the moment at the shop. We need to though, don't we?
Yeah.
And in case you don't trust us or how we plug this tire, there's instructions on the back of the box that you buy from AutoZone. So, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. This is probably the better version of this video I have made. Probably the longer one. This probably has more distractions in it, you know, more of us rambling on than straight to the point, but it shows you how to fix this. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you did, drop a like, leave a comment, check the eBay store out. We got tools and everything on there. It shows me a little extra support. I appreciate the support from the likes and comments. But if you need a tool or something, or maybe just want to browse around, check the eBay store out. You might see something you might be like, you know what, I'd like to have that in my life. Thanks for watching.